everyone, Melissa here. Today I am coming to you with yet another marble technique. I wanted to do another no waste marble. One of my previous fall designs I did a couple weeks ago on Robin, I was doing this sprinkle technique and I was like, well, that would probably work to do an entire marbled nail. So I tried it out and I ended up loving the look. Here is my finished test swatch. So we are going to do that today. So far I have dipped my nails in Miss Raven Dip Powder's Sunday Latte and Snooze and Snuggles, and I'm going to be using both of these colors along with her two other fall release colors to create this marble and finish it off with a little bit of gold alcohol ink for fun. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of these open just so that I can start working with them. Okay, what I'm going to be using for this technique is just the scoop end, the pusher end of this cuticle pusher. I'm going to start by doing one layer of base on the nail and letting it dry. I'm doing this because I want my layer of base that I'm going to be applying the marble to dry as slowly as possible. The first layer that goes on the nail always dries a little bit quicker because of the natural oils in the nail itself. Okay, once that's dry, we're going to just put a layer on to work with. This, of course, works best with a slow drying dip base. The slower the drying, the better. I'm going to start here with my dark color. Just grab a little bit at the tip. Don't want too much, so you don't want to flood the nail with color. And I'm going to just start do some tapping to try and get a line of the dark here and there. Tap that out. Do the same thing with the next color. And the next one, which is a lighter color. Which is more dense. The more dense the powder is, the more difficult it's going to be to tap it on. It'll probably fall in more clumpy areas, but that's okay because we're going to be alternating, trying to even that out. Okay, I'm going to just drop a little glitter here and there. Just want to give it a little sparkle sometimes. And then we'll pour some clear over the top of that layer just to fill in any gaps. So far, here's our first coat. I mean, even just a cool look with the one coat, but it's a little messy. So we're gonna go in and do it again. This time I'm going to start with the lightest color and move that way. So there we are now. We're gonna do this one more time and start with the darks again. I'm gonna try and be a little more precise with this layer. Just give it a little more control. And see what we're left with there. That looks good. Okay, so now I'm just gonna activate and file this in shape. Okay, I didn't have to file that too much, which is really good. Next, I'm going to, you could actually just leave this here. You don't have to do anything else to it. You don't have to go crazy with it, but you know, I like to do a little extra. I like more detail, that's just me. So I'm gonna use this Pinata Rich Gold alcohol ink. See, I've already got some dry right there from using it. Drop that just a little bit into this spoon so I can work with it. I'm going to be using this, it's like a little, kind of little pointed cotton swab tool. It actually came with the ink that I got, which I will put a link to. I'm going to take just a little bit here and just kind of like draw gold cracks. And just start with those. I'm gonna grab my rubbing alcohol here. Get the tip in there, cover that in alcohol, and I'm going to just go to one side, on one side of that gold line and blur it out. So that all we have is the other edge, which will look like a crack. Gold crack in the nail. I'm gonna do another one a little further down. Here you go. And if you're feeling like getting a little even more extra with it, you could add some gold foils. That would be cool too. I think I like it exactly where it is, so I'm gonna leave it just right here. I'm gonna go ahead and top this with a, let's see, do I want clear? No, just gonna top it with another layer of base to encapsulate that alcohol ink in. Give that a minute to dry, and then I'm gonna activate and top coat all of the nails. And there we go. Focus, focus, focus. There you go. And there is the finished marble. Pretty easy one. Just you gotta get comfortable with tapping lightly with that, with the scoop, so that too much doesn't go on. But even if it does, it is salvageable. Anyway, if you have not seen the giveaway I have going on for the 1K subscribers, which I plan to be at soon, or hope to be at soon, then go take a look at my channel because it's there, and I hopefully will have 1,000 subscribers by my video next Thursday. If I do, I will announce the winner in that video. So I look forward to seeing all of you there. And once again, thank you for joining me. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my stuff. I appreciate every single one of you. If you have any questions about this or any other technique I use, feel free to inbox me on Instagram or leave a comment. And I will see you next time.